Hi, welcome to another EcoSports video. This time I'm going to introduce a new EcoSport, single scull rowing. So this is a second-hand Ausrowtec single scull rowing boat. So it's going to be an addition to my kayak and outrigger canoe. So for those that don't know, rowing is a sport where you have the two oars. Sculling is where you have an oar in each hand, and there's also sweep oar rowing where you have just one oar with both hands, but this one's a scull, so one oar for each hand, and you go backwards along the water. So the bows where that little ball is there, you actually sit in the boat backwards. There's the seat and the foot stretcher, and you go backwards, so that's the stern there. You've got the little keel to help with directional stability sticking downwards there. So the riggers here are removable for storage and transport. They just simply bolt onto here. The seat here slides forwards and backwards. Your feet go in here. So obviously, being a second-hand boat, I'm going to give a little bit of a refurb. So the oars, the sleeve and the buttons here are going to get replaced. They're all, you can see they're all sun damaged and worn out. Going to replace the hand grips here too. I might replace the seat with a lighter carbon fibre one, but this wooden one's not bad. I'll have to take this apart. I've got a nest underneath, if you can see there, because it's been stored outside. So I've got to get rid of this nest anyway. I might have to replace the slides here in the wheels and the bogie. I'll see how it goes. Got to give it a good clean as well, of course. So later on I'm going to have some videos rowing on this. So I'm just going to fix it up. It's a good time at the moment because it's winter, or approaching winter. So it's a bit chillier at the moment anyway, so this will be ready for spring, hopefully. I'm not sure on the exact specs. It's just an Ausrowtec single scull. It's about 8.4 meters long, roughly. I'm not sure what it weighs yet. Estimate with the riggers probably 15-ish kilos or something. But it's in reasonable condition. But just needs a bit of TLC. There's a few little scratches and bumps and dings on it, but that's fine. This is obviously a lot cheaper, less expensive than getting a brand new one, which can be approximately $10,000 Australian, give or take. So I think it's a pretty good buy. Be good to see when it's all cleaned up. Going to replace the shoes at least, possibly the foot stretcher as well. But I've just got to clean everything and have a good look at everything and see what needs replacing and what doesn't. It's no good replacing bits just for the sake of it. But it's a good example of repurposing something that's not being used. You know, fix it up and give it a new life instead of just chucking it away. So it's good to repair and reuse as much as possible. I'm going to mount the boat in the shed on that rear wall on a bracket system connected to these two upright posts, so I've got to figure that out as well. Similar system to the kayaks, but the boat needs to be stored upside down on the gunnel section, that central section. So I can't just put a bracket straight onto these uprights because they're too far apart. They're about 3 meters apart. So I just have to figure that out as well. Then at least the boat can be stored under cover. At the moment it's just on the rear patio under a cover, but it's still not out of the elements. So that's it for this video. So there'll be more videos in the future after the repairs are done. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click the bell if you want to see more videos, including this rowing scull, other eco tips, eco sports and penny farthings.